Higgly Hen, written and illustrated by Axel Scheffler. Higgly Hen was bored. She sighed. "I've simply got to eat. I've been stuck on this nest for days, with eggs around my feet." She hopped down to the straw below to cluck and peck and scratch, but while she looked around for food, her eggs began to hatch. When Higgly Hen looked up again, she saw her eggs weren't there. "Oh no," she cried, "where have they gone? I must look everywhere." In the barn she found the cat. "I've lost my egg," she cried. "I think you'll find a few in here," the helpful cat replied. She found one in the horse's hay, and two in the pig's pen. "Let's get you home, you naughty things," clucked worried Higgly Hen. Back at her coop she counted them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. "I'm very glad I found you all, my lovely little chicks." Thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give us a like. And if you want to know when we put more videos up, please subscribe. See you soon!